Monday morning, every store. Somewhere in that data, 2 or 3 sites are quietly falling behind. Finding them usually means manually pulling reports and cross-referencing data. Site benchmarking does that for you. Every site scored out of 5 stars, the ones on track, the ones that need attention. All ranked based on criteria you set, updated automatically. With quick access to a day-by-day heat map of what was met and what was missed. Let's get started with site benchmarking. In this video, we'll cover how to configure your benchmarking criteria, read your site leaderboard, and get AI-powered recommendations. Ready? Let's go! Head to Site Benchmarking and select the Configuration tab. This is where you define what good looks like across your sites. You may notice some default criteria are already in place. To add your own, click Add New Criterion. Select a category. We'll go with food safety. Then choose your data source. Let's stick with inspections. Filter by an existing template to scope it to a specific food safety checklist. I'll use our kitchen AM check. Narrow it down further if needed to a specific page, section, or question. Choose your metric. We'll track inspection completion rate. Set your target and how often it's measured. We'll go with 80%, checked daily. The site needs to hit that mark each day. Miss it, and it affects the score. Review the summary at the bottom. Then click Save. It's now in the criteria list. Adjust the weight of each criterion with the slider. The others shift automatically to keep the total at 100%, since that's what the star rating is built from. Then you'll be prompted to save. When we head back to the overview, we can see our new criterion in the leaderboard. Now let's go on a full tour and read the leaderboard. At the top, 3 panels: which sites are on track, which need attention, and your overall site performance score. Below that, the leaderboard, every site ranked best to worst. The colors tell you where to look first. Green is on track, orange needs attention, red is critical. Toggle between the current and previous quarter. Each score reflects a full quarter of performance, not just one good or bad week. Click any site to open the drill down. An AI summary of last week's performance and a breakdown of how each criterion tracked. Each column is a criterion. Click into any to go deeper. A day-by-day heat map of what was met, what was missed, and the individual inspections behind each result. For a broader view of the week, open the Site Performance Monitor. It gives you an AI-written overview of the week, top insights, and a direct link to recommendations. Let's check out the AI recommendations. Go to the AI Recommendations tab. At the top, your overall score and your data strength, a measure of how much context the AI is working with. To get sharper insights, upload data. Customer satisfaction surveys, mystery shopper reports, sales data by location. Drop in a PDF, the AI folds it in, and your data strength score goes up. Below that, a grid of insight cards, each surfacing something worth your attention across all your sites. Click any card to see which sites it applies to, and the data behind the pattern. Filter by inspections, actions, issues, or files to focus on what matters most right now. You can also use the AI assistant to dive even deeper. Your benchmark scores look strong, but are your customers feeling it? Upload additional data, like your customer ratings, and ask it to compare them against your benchmarking scores. You'll get a site-by-site breakdown, benchmarking score, and customer rating side by side, gaps flagged, and headline observations ready. Monday morning, every store scored and ranked, and you know exactly where to start. For more details on setup and scoring, search Site Benchmarking in the Help Center. Head to help.safetyculture.com.